Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today's video is part 2 of the home project that we were working on last week. That is painting both of my daughter's rooms in one day. Right now, my husband is about to paint the accent wall. I'm really excited about it. It ended up turning out better than what we had even imagined, and my daughter was so happy. If you're new here, my name is Kim, K to the Y to the M, KYM, and I do videos pertaining to home life. I do cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, repairs, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe. On your way out, show that like button some love. That is one of the best ways you could help a YouTuber. The shade of paint that this is called shiitake, and it's so funny because when I first saw it, I was like, oh, shiitake mushrooms, because I always say that in place of cuss words. Sometimes I say cuss words too. Anyway, the wall turns out so lovely. At first, when we put it on, my husband was like, I don't know about this color. And I'm like, listen, just trust the process. You have to wait until it dries.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm all confused about you. You're my one temptation, yeah. Pretend to that I don't really care about you. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe.
At this point during the day, the sun was going down, so the sun was kind of working against us. I was trying to get every angle I could possibly get so that you could see exactly what the wall looked like, but the coloring is a little off because of the lighting. What I will say is the color that I picked out to put on my accent wall downstairs was completely different than this color. However, I think I'm going to use this color because that's how much we like it. We just really think it turned out so nice. And my daughter likes that boho type feel anyway, so it just really works out. Back in this room, I've already patched up all the holes. Now it's time to sand. And let me tell you something. If you decide to sand, don't be like me and not wear a mask, because I was definitely feeling it the next day. Protect yourself at all costs. Okay, so I have a random question for you. Do you feel like sometimes your brain hurts? It's funny because my husband always says, why don't you like self-checkout? And I could never figure it out until today because I just got back from the store. Think about it like this. From the time that I wake up, my brain activity starts. It's like, okay, read your words, say your affirmations, get up, do a workout, take a shower, take Karya to the bus stop, come home, pack your lunch, get ready for work, start your car because it's 0 degrees outside. Well, actually, it's been in the 60s this week, y'all. It's beautiful. However, the sun is not shining today. It rained, but it was still warm. I don't want to have to go to the grocery store and think about when I bag these items, I got to make sure all the meat is in one bag, the cans or whatever you have are in another bag, your dry goods, whatever are in this bag, your veggies are over here. I don't want to have to think about that. So that is why I do not like self-checkout. And I'm triggered because I just came from the store, just like I said. For real. Some jobs have mental health days where you can take a day off for your mental health. I'm going to need a brain break day off, okay? I feel like we should normalize having that at work. What do you think? Word to the wise, do not take any kind of curtain tutorial advice, hanging, none of that from me, okay? I'm just keeping it 100 because I like to keep it real. A few months back when I was actually looking for some curtains, I found some leather straps and I hung some curtains in my bedroom with the leather straps. I really liked them, so I decided to use the 4 additional ones I had for my daughter's bedroom.
Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt.
Painting both of my daughter's rooms in one day was definitely a project, but I will say I got to give kudos to my youngest daughter, Karya, because she was like, you know what? I want to try to paint. I want to see if I can do it. And I'm like encouraging her, do it, because daddy's going to come right behind us and put on coat number 2. So coat number 1 does not need to be perfect. In hindsight, when I think of protecting yourself at all costs when you're doing home projects, I probably should have had a full scarf on because your girl did get paint in her hair, okay? I mean, it is what it is. I had actually washed my hair that morning and then had to wash it again immediately. Might I also suggest, if you're going to paint, just paint one room at a time. Do not commit yourself to doing more than one room because we were exhausted the next day. And as you can see out of that window in that previous clip, it's nighttime now. So we want to make sure that we're getting it all done today because neither one of us like to leave any kind of projects for the next day. We like to get it done in one day. But I had to realize like we're getting a little bit too old to be doing that.
I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last.
Now it's time to hang up this TV. We woke up this morning. We went to a store called Meijer. Not sure if you have a Meijer in your area. And we got this contraption to hang the TV up with. My husband also has a set finder, which I showed you guys in the previous video. So it's time to get this TV hung up. And by the way, if you have not seen part 1 of this video, it came out on Monday. That was just a few days ago. So it's in the most recent videos of mine. I hope thus far this week has brought some joy into your life and you're doing things that are finally aligning with your values and your character, because a lot of times we do things to like please others. It's time to please yourself. We live in an environment where you have to be healthy in order to even walk out of the door, because if you're not, this world gonna eat you up. Take a moment to reflect on where you were at this time last year. I hope you've elevated some, and if you haven't, it's not too late. It's never too late to pour love into yourself. It's never too late to say affirmations. It's never too late to go back and get that college degree. It's never too late to buy a brand new car. Maybe you've never had one before, and if that's something that you want to do it. Do what makes you happy. Sometimes we have to command our souls to be happy because not all the time are we going to be happy, right? We're not naturally happy beings on this earth. That's just not how it works. But if you wake up in the morning and you command your day, today is going to be a great day, then guess what? It's going to be a great day. All right, so we have the TV hung up. Here's the plan. We got to hide those cords because the cords are driving me crazy, even though it's not my room. So we're going to buy one of those things. We're not going to put any more holes in the wall by the TV, but we're going to buy one of those things where it kind of collects the cords for you in the middle. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? And it kind of goes down a straight line. We're going to do that. We're going to add some beautiful curtains in here. They're just going to be plain white blackout curtains that actually they're in my living room right now, but I don't like them for my living room. I actually reached out to P-Dub Stuff. That's my homie. Y'all better check out her channel. And she told me to check out IKEA. I'm looking for some moody, cozy curtains to change up my living room a little bit. Here's the curtain rod right here. My daughter doesn't necessarily like that curtain rod, but we're going to use that curtain rod. She has the shelves. Where do you want your shelves to go?
Okay, so there's 5 in here, and one of them's gonna go right here, like under the TV once these are gone. And then 2 are gonna be on this wall, and the 2 are gonna be on the exact wall that I
There'll be 2 shelves over here on this wall, 2 shelves on this wall, and 1 here, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, and we're gonna hang those up probably not this weekend because it's my birthday, sugar. So maybe the next weekend. So eventually that'll be hung up. Where are you hanging the mirror at?
This mirror, instead of going right here, because the only thing I want for my birthday is a vanity.
A vanity for your birthday. So the vanity will go here for her birthday. Her birthday's in May after the graduation party for my other daughter. This mirror will go where? Right there. Okay. I like her galaxy light. It's really cool at night when the lights are all off. Here, turn the lights off so we can show them. Check out this vibe. Don't look at the smoke alarm. We have to replace that. One thing that I did notice, my daughter wanted the room to be bright white. Look at the closet doors. The closet doors are driving me crazy because they're not bright white, so they don't like blend in. You know what I mean?
Yesterday, and thinking that it would be.
It's not dirt. Yeah. Yeah, it's not dirt. It's just because it's not bright white. It's just a regular base pure white. So we're gonna have to figure all that out. And then we're not finishing my other daughter's room either, but I'm really excited about all the changes that are going on in our home. All right, so we're gonna try the Javy coffee, my beautiful daughter and I. This is my youngest daughter. Say hello to the people. I really don't typically drink instant coffee, but I do love cold brew, and I noticed that when I was choosing like which coffee that I wanted to try, this one was the iced coffee. So I definitely want to try this out. Here's what it looks like. It has protein in it for anyone that needs protein, but there's a different selections that you can choose from. You can choose hazelnut, caramel, vanilla, all that great stuff. So definitely check out my link that's going to be below in the description box. There is a scoop in here. Let me show you. Okay, so 1 scoop is for 8 ounces. So we're gonna put 1 scoop in each of these cups that have 8 ounces of water. My hands are clean, I just washed them. So stir that up for me, please. I will definitely say, initially smelling it, it kind of smells like hot chocolate. You think it smells like? It smells good though, it smells really good. There is caffeine in here, and there's no sugar or anything like that added. You can read the ingredients on the back of the package once you purchase. Stir your life away. Stir, 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 stir. Okay, I'm embarrassing her. While she's over there stirring her little pea picking heart out, I'm gonna stir away as well. Word to the wise, mix your coffee up before you actually put your ice in, because it's kind of hard to stir with the ice.
It said it on the directions.
Oh,
But I already put the ice in before I read it.
Oh, as you can see, she doesn't follow directions. I'm gonna taste it and see what it tastes like without the creamer, and then I'm gonna add my creamer.
Did you mix it all the way? Okay, my turn.
It kind of tastes like hot chocolate a little bit.
I'm scared.
I think all instant coffee tastes like hot chocolate though. It's actually pretty good. I must say, it tastes better than the Dollar General instant coffee. So if you like instant coffee, definitely check it out. It's not bad.
I'm gonna try.
I think you should definitely put some creamer in here. Don't drink it black. What do you think?
That's good.
She likes it. All right, so again, this is the Javy coffee. Please make sure you check out the link in the description box because you will get a discount if you use my link, especially if you are a coffee connoisseur. And make sure that you use this type of creamer. This creamer is the bomb.
Or vanilla.
10 grams of protein for some instant coffee. You really can't beat that, right? It also has prebiotics, 0 sugar, all natural. And then the coffee that they use is pretty high class. Check it out. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.